Hey guys, Brian and Aaron here from Five2Go. It's been a little while.
It has.
But we haven't been doing anything.
We haven't. We've just been celebrating birthdays.
Yeah, it's just been birthday after birthday.
Yep.
It's just been kind of a lazy few weeks. We're getting ready for a very busy summer.
Yeah, summer caravan.
Yeah, so we've been getting stuff scheduled and coordinated and organized for all of that. So we've been away for a couple weeks, but we're back now. Today is my birthday.
Yay.
And the kids are going to do sewer.
At least they said they're going to.
Yeah. I just jokingly was walking over here. I was like, all right, who's doing sewer? And Brooke was like, me.
And then Brooke and then Ben was like, no, me.
Yeah, they always want to see the draining of the black tank.
Always.
So let's go see that.
Oh, fun.
First things first. Do you like my birthday shirt?
Ooh, I want to go there.
Aaron got it for me. I mean, these guys were the worst thing in Star Wars until, you know, all the prequel stuff, but we like Ewoks now, right? It's like a nostalgia thing.
Right.
But I would totally go to summer camp on Endor. We've been to Endor.
We have been to Endor.
Northern California, the Redwood Forest.
Yeah, put a link to that one.
It looks like Endor. I mean, they filmed it there, obviously it looks like it, but it feels otherworldly. So anyway, who wants to pull the poop valve? Me? Okay, I think Ben was there first. All right, hold on. So it's gonna come through there. It's this, no, look, I don't even have gloves on. So just pull that. Gotta pull it hard. You ready? Yeah. Look.
Poop and pee.
Nope, it's good. Leave the handle alone.
You can take your hand off of it, buddy. Is that super exciting?
You wanna see the other end? Yeah, it's under there. I guess I've never had this on camera before.
Yeah.
I've got the little standoff installed because the connector is below grade, so I have this little extension thing here.
And you have a little
Lets me get down to the sewer hole, which is nice.
Mm-hmm.
So it's one of those things where I've used it
It goes like
4 times maybe, but when you need it, you need it.
It's nice to have.
Yeah, so
sure.
that lives in my my little tote full of sewer things. So I closed gray like midday yesterday, and there have been a couple showers, and I washed a bunch of dishes. We like to close gray a night or two before we move, because today is moving day. Actually, I don't think I mentioned that. Yeah, today, I thought we were just out here doing sewer for fun. No, today's moving day. So on a day or two before moving day, we will close gray, and that lets gray get a bunch of, you know, clean, like soapy water in it, and then we'll use that to flush the hose. So there should be quite a bit in there. So let's go ahead and switch those around.
Brooke, come here real quick and talk to me with your lack of teeth. Brooke lost her other front tooth both of her front teeth in the last 2 weeks, I guess. You look so cute. You lost your helpers.
Yeah, it's a little easier this way.
It's not as exciting once it's all whooshed through.
Yep, no, it's all clear water, so why would you want to stand here and watch that?
What are you guys making?
birthday cake.
For who?
Daddy. It's gonna be green.
Why is it going to be green?
Because that's green is his favorite color.
So we're all done?
Yeah, let me pull up this watchdog stuff.
What's the watchdog?
So the watchdog is that huge, massive piece of plastic right there. And it's on. This actually glows like all night, which I don't really like. It's doing its job, and one cool thing is that one has Bluetooth in it. The other one that we used on the trailer did not have Bluetooth in it. It was just kind of you plug it in, gives you green lights, you're good to go. If there's like a lightning strike or a power surge or whatever, it is a sacrificial little zap, and you replace that instead of like your TV and microwave and half of your electronics inside. So the Bluetooth app shows you current consumption up here on the top, and that's how much energy we've used in the 3 weeks that we've been here. So 881 kilowatt hours, not too bad. And then it shows the current voltage and amperage coming in on line 1 and line 2. 50 amp circuits are 220 volt circuits, so that's why there's 2 like that. So everything here looks good. The energy rating, if we were staying somewhere, a lot of times if you stay at a campground for a month or more, it will be a cheaper rate. It'll be, you know, like 300 for a week, or, you know, 600 or 800 or whatever for a month, plus electricity. So what they do is, you know, like this one here, I don't know if this campground does it, but they always have meters on the site. So they'll come in, they'll read the meter when you arrive, they'll read it when you leave, and they'll charge you so many cents per kilowatt hour. So if you have a unit like that, you can kind of keep an eye on how much power you're using, how much it's going to cost you for that month or whatever, if you really care. We've done that one time, and it was
It's cheap.
$70 for the month for all the power. That was during the winter. We were running fireplaces and portable heaters and stuff, and that's how our children play.
Yep.
So that's about right. So you've seen me carrying around or fiddling with this little key. I do have a cable lock on it because it's a $300 unit, and it's just kind of hanging out outside. If someone was walking around with bolt cutters, they could get through it no problem, but just a minimal amount of security will keep honest people honest. There were some bikes that disappeared here a couple days ago, so we just use these little cable locks on our bikes too. So it just makes it harder to just grab something and move. You know, it's kind of, you'd have to put more effort into it to get something even with a simple cable lock on it. So I got I think it was a 3 or 4 pack of cable locks. They all use the same keys, so I use it for that and all the bikes and other things we strap down. It's starting to get very windy, and there's a storm coming, and we're almost out of time to get out of the site, so we will see you guys on the road. Well, that was good timing. We got everything unhooked, and it started raining the minute I closed the door and started moving. So yay! And there's Erin. She just did a trash run. And Tara. You still haven't told me happy birthday today.
Nope, and I won't.
And you won't. Okay, so then when you ask for something at Wawa next time, you know, I just won't. All right, deal.
What are you doing?
Taking the bed out?
We have to show the people.
You were sitting there on your phone. I got stuff to do.
The bed came.
It's the old mattress. We had a mishap with the duct tape here.
Yeah.
I'll show you what happened once we get in there.
Okay.
So, are you gonna feel like helping me now?
Well, I didn't know you were taking it all
I can
apart.
do all of the labor on my own birthday. Without the mattress there, the platform just pops open.
Yep.
So she's under there getting animals. Yeah. So this lovely tape job here.
It's custom.
Yeah, it's custom work. There's a piano hinge on the platform under the bed, and the corner of it was up, and we didn't know that. We were pulling the mattress to, you know, put the sheets on it, and the metal just snagged it and ripped right through it. So I put a lot more screws into it, so it's all very flat.
Okay, so it's not going to happen again.
I will double check it before we put the new one on.
Let's show everybody.
My favorite animal at home.
This corner was sticking up, and I put these screws on the edge to.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Because it was only like every third one was done.
Yeah,
or
you can see
something.
it through the middle. It's like every other one, every 3 holes.
I don't know if you can really see it. But...
Yeah, so the end wasn't down at all. There were no screws here, and
Right.
there was only one here, so this corner was sticking up. That side is okay.
Sorry for all the like stuff. We just got here.
It's very
And-
it was pouring.
And it was pouring rain, and so like stuff is just now cleared off,
Yeah.
so we can put this new bed in because it
Yeah.
has to expand.
Yeah, I recorded as I was pulling out of the campground that the second we got everything unhooked and I got in, it started pouring at the other campground.
Yep.
And it rained the whole way here.
Mm-hmm.
So what are we doing? We got to figure out a way to get that mattress out. I
Yeah.
think I'm gonna put straps around it.
I found my dinosaur.
You just made this into a play area.
Yeah.
You can see all of the bedding that was on the bed is now up in Tara's space, so we have room to move and work.
I'm looking.
Oh, that's gonna get dangerous. Hop down.
All right, since we just moved, I have a post-moving day tip for you. A lot of times you'll move. Sorry, the kids are being a little noisy. A lot of times you'll move and you'll get somewhere and you'll get busy and you'll get distracted, and then like 2 days go by and you open a cabinet that you haven't opened since you moved. But you're not in the, oh, I just moved and things might have like fallen mindset. So it'll be 2 days from now and you'll open like one of the high cabinets in your kitchen, and it'll be like that infomercial where all of the stuff falls out on that woman. So what I like to do, especially like with the fridge, is right after moving, like while we're getting stuff set up or while we're still in that moving day mindset, I will very gingerly make sure nothing's falling out, and then
Peek in.
everything's good on that side. So we're good here. So I will just kind of go through and very carefully open things. There's nothing up here. But there's always the potential for, yep. Yeah, good. So there's always the potential for things to fall out. So while I'm in that mindset of things could attack me, I look for them.
Look out, his big move!
Yeah.
He's a trampoline.
Yeah, that's what all the noise is.
Oh, Ben, be careful.
Yeah. He's gonna bounce himself.
He's gonna
down
bounce
the
himself
stairs.
in the stairs.
All right, enjoy it while it's here.
Yep, it's gonna move soon. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Ben, go on the other side. Oh my gosh, y'all
All
are
right,
so
I
wet.
think the next scene is going to be our ER visit.
Our ER, yeah. We're headed to urgent care, I'm sure. What are you doing, Brian?
I don't know if this is going to work. Trying to basically just fold it in half. Because
Okay.
when these come, you know, they're like vacuum packed and big machines suck them down.
Yeah,
suck all
that's
the
true.
air out of them and stuff. All right. That was a lot of work.
Yes.
It was easier to lay it down and just have Aaron lay on it, fold it in half, and then I just ratchet strapped it in half. So the kids are enjoying it. So I'm not sure how we're going to get rid of this yet, but I think we'll at least get it out of the way out into the van.
Yeah, we'll make a switch because the other one is in a box in the van.
Yeah, it's all vacuum packed.
Yeah.
Hey,
So,
that's dangerous. That's
Ben,
dangerous.
Ben
Please
did
come
hurt
here.
himself 3 times bouncing
He
on
did.
the mattress. So, yep.
He did.
All right, so let's do a little swap-a-roo and get the new one in here.
Alrighty.
Bye.
Love you.
I was expecting more of a fight. £100.
That was right.
Woo! I felt that. All right, so this will expand for a bit. So we're gonna go to the dump and throw away the old one now.
Yay, come with us. And we're back.
And we're back.
We forgot to film, sorry. I mean, it's just a dump.
It's just a landfill.
We just put it into a big dumpster.
Yeah. Actually, when we got rid of the couch and the front chairs, people asked us what to do about furniture and stuff. Just look for local landfills.
Yep.
I do know, like the one we used to go to in Virginia, you had to be a resident, like you had to show your ID and you had to live in the county.
Yeah.
The one here, the Orange County landfill, they don't care. $6 for furniture or like a van load of stuff. And
We didn't
that's
have
it.
to wait on the way out
Yeah.
or anything like that, so.
yeah, so just check with nearby landfills or bulk trash or recycling places.
Yep.
And most of the time, I don't know how often, but you don't always have to be a resident, so that might be an
Right.
option. So do we want to set this up and just do a time lapse of
Yeah.
making the bed? Because that's exciting.
That's always fun. Sure.
Okay, I gotta change the battery and we'll do it.
Okay.
One thing real quick before we do this. If you've never seen someone make an RV bed, it's not graceful.
No. and
It's not
We're not graceful to begin with, so
right.
no jokes about how we make this bed. No jokes.
It's not a delicate process.
No. Let's do this. How do you do your sheets? Do you have the printed side against you, or do you do it with it up, or so like when you fold the sheets down you can see the pretty part of the sheet? How do you do it?
You always do it this way.
I do it with the pretty sheet down, so
Yeah.
when you pull it over,
Yeah.
it's on you. Quilt's always better. Just telling you.
Oh, then like a big poopy comforter?
Yeah, big poopy
Oh, yeah.
comforter. There's never enough room along the sides.
Yep. No, quilts are
And
great.
quilts dry faster when you wash them too. It's so poopy. I love it.
All right, I have a
We made a bed.
bone to pick.
Hmm.
So when we did our tour video of this rig, I made a comment, or you made, I don't remember who made the comment, but one of us said that I always like a bed being made.
Oh yeah.
Or you said that. You said Brian likes his bed being made, and I said yes ma'am. And that was all we said about it. So then there were a couple comments on that video of people like, well, he should make the bed then.
He does.
I do
every
make the
single
bed.
day. I never make the bed.
every day. First thing I do when I get up, if I'm the last one up, I make the bed immediately.
And if he's not the last one up, like on the weekends,
I complain.
He complains that I'm not out of the bed so he can make the bed.
Yeah,
so.
because she'll lay there for like another 30 minutes, and then I will be up front doing stuff. She'll get out of bed, not make the bed.
Nope. Because I don't care.
Yeah, so yeah, I make the bed. I do the dishes. I
You
do the
make the
laundry.
food.
I make the food. I clean up after the food.
Yep. Yeah.
What do you do around here?
I love the children.
I love them. I don't like them all the time, but I love them.
Uh-huh. I am here for you to have a companion.
And to make French toast.
And to make French toast, which is what I'm making for his birthday dinner. I guess not quotation
I
marks, because
requested it.
is a birthday dinner.
I requested it. She
Yeah.
makes awesome French toast.
Yeah, I have some things I make.
And we're gonna adult it a little bit. We're gonna have some Bloody Marys with it.
We're having brunch at like 7 p.m. So
Happy birthday to me.
yeah, right.
Yeah. So I think that's gonna be it for this video.
Woohoo!
We will have information on the mattress, who it's from, and all of that in a future video because we don't know if we like the mattress
Yeah,
yet.
we got to try it out.
So we're gonna sleep on this for a couple weeks, and then we'll be back with you to talk about the mattress, other mattress reviews, where we got it
Get
from.
your own.
Yeah. So a company did reach out to us and send us this to try out.
Yep.
But part of our agreement was we don't review things without trying them. So we haven't tried these yet. I haven't even laid on this yet. I know Aaron laid on it.
I laid down for a moment.
How was it for that moment?
I could have fallen asleep.
You
But
can fall asleep anywhere.
I can fall asleep anywhere.
So that is not a ringing endorsement.
I'm a happy napper in any
Yeah.
horizontal surface.
Yep. So we will be back with more information about this mattress in a couple weeks after we've used it for a little while. And then I think next up we've got
Magna
the
Shade.
Magna Shade to put on. We've got new dinettes coming this week. That's going to be a big one.
Excited.
Yeah,
From our
so-
favorite place, Rec Pro.
Yep,
So,
from Rec Pro, who we love.
Who we
like
love.
now, all of the furniture will be different. The front seats
Oh,
are
it will
different.
be-
The couch is different. The
will be
dinettes
new.
will be different. The
Yeah.
mattress, like we basically will have replaced everything.
We replaced
We
the
can
toilet
replace.
seat too.
We did.
We didn't film that though.
Yeah,
if
we.
you wanna see
I'm
that.
not going to show you. The bathroom's a mess. It's still in moving day mode.
Yeah,
So
it's still
the
stowed
sink
stuff.
is full of stuff, so they didn't move around. But we did a soft close toilet seat because the one that was on there was like solid wood.
Yeah,
and if
Ben
you
doesn't
dropped
put
it, it
things
would
softly.
sounded like a gunshot.
Yeah.
So, gonna wrap this one up.
Oh,
and
so nice.
as we said earlier, we are getting ready for our summer trip. We leave 6 weeks from yesterday,
Yeah,
right? Yeah, we leave on June 5th.
June 5th.
June 5th.
There's
We're doing a
still
big long
time.
caravan.
There's still room on our caravan if you
Yeah.
want to join the Roadrunners.
Yeah,
and
if you're going to
then-
be, let's see, we're in Florida, so we're leaving Florida. We're going to be Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, Indiana, a lot of time in Michigan.
Yeah,
And then those again on the way back down, right? And
a
Alabama.
bit. Yeah.
Alabama, and then out the panhandle
Yep.
of Florida.
So if you're interested and you were going to be in those areas, you want to join the Roadrunners
Yeah.
and figure out where we're going to be and see if you can get some reservations, we would love to meet you and see you.
It's going to be great. It's going to be a lot of people.
And there's special shirts that
Yeah.
are going like hotcakes right now. So
Yep, they've seen the shirts, tour shirts.
yeah,
Yeah, so I think we've got 2 families going with us for the whole route.
the whole thing.
And there are a couple stops up north where we're going to have like the whole campground.
Yeah, like 40
Awesome.
people are going to be there. It's going to be so much fun. I'm so excited.
I think the biggest one, we're going to have 12 families with us.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want in on that, check it out. Check out the URL, 5togo.com/roadrunners.
Mm-hmm.
So we will see you guys in the next video. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to Brian. He's only 39.
Only
He's a
I
baby.
am not
He's not
fabulous
40.
40s.
No,
I'm,
we'll do that next year.
Yeah, I'm just the whatever.
Just
39.
39
Yeah.
for the first time.
Yeah. All right, bye guys.
Bye.